I'm back at last. It only took me about 3 months. Anyways, I've done much in this time, from bringing back the brakes to getting the clutch put on. Let's get started. For the brakes, I wanted to start with the hoses. But nothing in this car can be simple. Yeah. Ow. Yeah.
Prime footage.
Now, we need the 10 mil. The 10 mil.
What the fuck?
We got tropical shit going on out here. It's still working. Good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can get that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it just stripped. I just moved on to the bottom half like you're supposed to do first. Sketchy.
Oh,
There we
bingo.
go. Vice grips.
Ooh, we did it.
That's what we're talking about, baby. That's why we have vice grips. Now, this set of precedents. I fucking love vice grips. Look at that.
Bingo.
We did something.
I can replace that line.
Oh no, it is. I didn't record the other side, but it's the same thing, just inverted. Now, on to the back. And then the other one was missing.
So I remember one of them was missing, but I didn't know you already took one off.
Oh, that looks like a nice spider nest.
Oh, perfect.
Get that shit.
Beautiful. The Black Widows. Your stud's back. Yeah. Oh, maybe she is some rust. Give her a kick. Yeah, baby.
Moving the whole thing.
There it goes. Good job.
Yeah. I fucking love vice grips.
Pesos.
I ain't seeing no pesos.
That might work for your neighbors, but not falling for it. Tap her down, put the clip inside the ground. Hell yeah, buddy.
If the recording seems a little fractal, I let Bryson record for this part. Yeah, never again.
Hey.
Yeah. Look at that. It's like I know what I'm doing.
Cheers. There she is.
And then the camera died, and I didn't notice. But they're on. Now the brake pedal is nice and stiff. Well, actually, it's gone soft again since then, so I need to re-bleed it all. It was nice and stiff. Next up, the pilot bearing. I was told the bread method would for sure work and not give me any trouble. Let's get this fucking pilot bearing out. I can see it sitting there, asking for bread. It demands bread, and I will deliver. I don't know how much bread to stick in here. I just know to keep sticking bread till I can't stick no bread. All right, I'm gonna get an extension and a rubber mallet. Eventually I get a socket, so it's got a better seal to it. Jeez. The meth heads have gone in for the night. But Sam is still in there. I'll save your time. The bread method didn't work for me, but Harbor Freight did. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at that. It's fucking out. Oh yeah, that's what we were waiting for.
How much bread residue is in there?
Not much, I did a good job at getting it out. Now, you can't call me gay for what I did under that car. My socks were on. Oh, fuck. I'm so glad I put on these goggles. I guess I didn't record this part, but the first time I put the pilot bearing on, it went on kind of sideways. It was supposed to go in perfectly straight, and it marred itself. So I had to get a new pilot bearing. You can just see how scared I am to fuck this up again. Oh yeah, it's going in. All right. I actually fucking did it. Did it, I did. But the biggest challenge still lies ahead. And I forgot to record putting the flywheel on, so the clutch. But, yeah, so good thing we didn't get that far.
Yep.
Pretty sure I can just
Put it in like that and call it a day.
then do the other half of it. And then we can align it second. Are you starting to see how it all comes together?
Somewhat, yeah. Fucking.
A few moments later.
Why?
You have to get both at the same time.
Oh wait, I think it's actually... It wasn't, but let's go to when it was. We're on to the final torque. So after this, it's on.
Done. It's fine. Oh wait, you already have. Oh wait, no, those are probably just pieces of tape to cover shit.
Why can't you be like the last one? What? Wait, why is that getting loose?
Oh shit.
That's never a good thing. When it's hardy heart, then losey loose. Usually means you're stripping.
No, 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 no.
Really not. It's just getting looser. Fuck me.
No.
No, it's the correct one. I'm really hoping I didn't just see bits coming out with that. Oh, it stripped the fuck out of it.
Oh.
And now I need a flywheel.
Yeah, it stripped.
Luckily, Fidanza was willing to repair it free of charge. Sadly, it couldn't be fixed. But they sent a new one.
She looks really good.
I will try to hurry.
No, you're good, bro. Thank you.
Oh, I took the flywheel off and tried to thread it. It threaded just fine. That was my issue. I just didn't have it going straight. This one's going easier. Okay. Yeah, that's completely the issue. It was not even Alright, I hope. Will I know before it's too late though?
Yeah, like
This one's also rough. Maybe it's just because it's not. Oh yeah, I touched the flywheel a little bit.
last one. You only put assembly one, or you can try it.
So I should have assembly lube, so we'll do it. Hey, this one's done.
Me and the police.
All right, it is time to break out the torque wrench.
Let's go. Finally.
All right, it's time.
You and the computer.
What?
You and the computer.
The computer what?
Computers. I don't know.
Yeah, we didn't torque it right, so I had to do that again. My torque wrench actually vibrates when it hits the target. So part of what I think stripped the flywheel is the clutch being slightly different. It was just barely shorter than the old one. So I got a new Valio one from Godzilla Raceworks. Thank you, commenter, for recommending them. Let's get it on. All right, I tossed the clutch on. I got this fucking lined up to where the spline will be top center. Now, moment of truth. Does this new pressure plate slide right on? Oh yeah.
One eternity later.
You won't believe it. The camera died again, but the clutch is on and torqued to spec. So, it's on. The clutch is on. The thing that's been keeping this from moving forever is on. In theory, once I put it all together again, it'll drive out of here. I just got to do that. Anyways, I'll see you in another 2 months when it's all back together. Later.